guys, welcome to Aussie Storm Training. I'm your trainer Susie Jackson, and today we're going to look at how to order our True Weight and Energy combo for $133. So at the top of this in the link you'll see your ID number that your sponsor has given you. Once you get and type that in or copy and paste it, you'll end up at this page here. What you actually need to do, you will see that your name is at the top plus an email and their phone number. Go to this button here, Buy Now and Enroll, then click on that button. This will take you through to a screen with the Harbour Bridge. Once you've got that screen, I need you to scroll down the page where you see three options: a sample option, a control kit, or a custom sizable order. Click on this last box. You're having a custom order, not a normal order. It's going to ask you what country you're from, so wherever you're living at the moment, click that country. Make sure that this box here is ticked, Australia Associate Wholesale Pricing 20%. Click the box that says I verify and agree, and then go next. This is actually going to bring up a screen with lots and lots of pictures on it. What I want you to do is go to the top, to the right where it says switch to quick view. Click on this button here. This is going to take you to a whole list of items with no pictures, which is fine because I can tell you what you're looking for. I want you to arrow down, and there's two ways to look for it. You can look under the name or you can look for the price. And if you're looking for the price down here, you'd be looking for $133. So there's the True Control All-In. And this is the True Weight and Energy. So you're looking for 8480. Come across 77 personal points, $133.65. Click the box, put a 1 in and hit enter, or click your mouse at the side. Go down to the bottom. It'll show you $133.65. Click next. There you go. Let's just done it again. This screen looks the same, but it's actually not. So if you scroll back up, mine's made me scroll. It says that you're going to be on a standard smart ship, so make sure you hit standard. Come back down again. Now, in some cases, like it has with mine, it hasn't held my order. So go back to 8480, put another 1 in the box, and then scroll down to the bottom and go next. This will then bring you to a page that says personal information, so it'll tell you that your sponsor is. Then you need to fill in these details, so first name, last name, username, password, and a security question. Also your address and phone details. Once you go to the next page, it's going to ask you for your credit card information, and then follow the instructions from there and you should be fine, and you should receive an email after you've done it to make sure it's done through correctly. Thank you very much. Any problems, call your sponsor. Thank you.